how it feels staring at your sketch and dozens of fabrics, wondering which one will truly bring your vision to life? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you how to choose fabrics with confidence, so your design feel intentional and beautiful from the very first cut. Maybe you have picked the wrong fabric before. It didn't drape, it didn't feel right, or it ruined your design. That's why we always start with understanding the story your design wants to tell. You must understand it first. Then think about the sketch. Look at your sketch. Ask yourself, what emotion does this design carry? Who is it for? Who do you design it for? Is it soft, graceful, or bold and structured? Your fabric choice is how that feeling comes alive. If you don't understand your sketch, you won't be able to bring it alive. Then the fabric type and behavior. Notice how each fabric behaves. Cotton feels reliable and structured. Chiffon flows like a gentle whisper. Lining gives elegance with strength. Choosing the right one is giving your design its voice. If you choose the wrong fabric, your design won't breathe. It won't have its own voice. Then we have color, texture, and emotional identity. The color and texture speak together. They speak as well. Does it reflect dignity, refinement, and calm elegance? Every choice you make communicates who your design is for and how it will make them feel, how it will make the customer feel. You know, when the customer feel right, elevated in your design, you will continue getting clients. Then the fifth one is practical guidance with care. And yes, we balance beauty with practicality. You want fabrics that sew well, not the one that will give you difficulties when you are sewing. The one that move well and bring joy to whoever wears them. Your design should feel effortless, not stressful. Remember this, you are seen in your creative journey. Every thoughtful decision you make tells a story of care, elegance, and dignity. Don't guess. Design with intention. If you want more guidance to bring your fashion ideas to life, subscribe to Luxe Fashion Academy, where your vision is aired, nurtured, and transformed into real, wearable creations. See you in my next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.